Now let us take a DHT11 and let us try with that. Now adding a variable h, take it as float, read only. Add one more variable p, take it as float, read only. Add the variable, select the device, configure the network, click on save. Now everything is ready. So here we have taken two variables. So hereby I am importing my library manager dhdlib. So the library is already available. Type hash include dht.h. So hereby let us copy this. Okay, so the header files and basic application is ready. Copy the dht.begin, and here we have to call dht temperature and dht humidity. Go for the sketchbook. Go to while loop, for loop. Type T equal to dht dot temperature, H equal to dht dot humidity. Let us compile and see. Okay, so there is an issue with the setup itself. We can edit this into string. So the most important parts, we have to just refresh the cloud once again. For some clouds, no need to refresh, but here for this, for safety, I am making it. Close this, to sketch once again, open the full editor. So let us check each and every integer, because since we have taken from here, it is a little bit difficult to know which type of data set it is, data type. So for humidity, we are unable to collect the data. Let's try once again with the float itself. So let us try for temperature with temperature sensor itself. Now click on save. I hope this works. No, actually, there are some differences if you are going for cloud as well as normal hardware. Not regarding towards the board, I did not connect over here. Now I have taken the cloud variables itself. So now there are chances. Till now, whatever I have taken, it was a hardware one, hardware variables. So let me try doing with my own library. So here by this DHT it is not supporting for us. Let us try this once again. So here this particular library is not accepting our particular functions. Now it is ready. So here they have declared it in the form of float itself, so we can directly get it. So hereby I have selected D0 and I am going to select DHT11. That is my sensor. Now here into this particular setup, I am going to change it as float. Edit. Change here also for float. Now let us compile and see. Okay. So now everything it is clear. Now onto that particular dashboard, we have to make some settings. Hereby I am taking two things. One is gauge, link a variable for temperature. Just done. Take another one for percentage monitorization. Link a variable, take it as humidity, because humidity it will be in percentage only. Link to variable to H. Done. Now go to this and upload the code, and within that and D0. So now everything is connected. Everything is ready. And finally we are able to read it. So for each and every second the data will be keeping on uploading it up over here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.